you for watching. Let's check out the Target deals through July 27th. I wanted to mention this. The Nexium 24-hour heartburn relief 42 count is $25.99. If you buy two of them for $51.98, obviously they're expensive, you get a $10 Target gift card. There's a $5 coupon within the app, and then there's a $5 back on Swagbucks that you can submit for, bringing it down to $31.98, which is about a 40% savings. Then the Breathe Right strips, they're normally $11.99. They're 25% off at $8.99. And then there's a $3 and a 10-cent Ibotta rebate that this is attaching to, bringing it down to $5.89. And you can either get the one in the red or the blue package for $11.99 marked down to $8.99. The Mucinex Sinus Spray is $8.99. There's 1,350 kicks. There's also 10 in-store scan kicks as well available within the Shopkick app. That's about $5.40. So it makes it $3.59 after the Shopkick rebate, and then you can do this up to 4 times. If this is your first time using Shopkick, you can use my code THRIVE to earn $5 in bonus kicks when you scan your first receipt. So that Mucinex Sinus would be a moneymaker. So the different acne products are effective and expensive. So anytime I can get deals on these, I grab them. The patches, the acne patches are $9.99. There's a $3 coupon in the Target Circle app, and there's $2.75 back on Ibotta, leaving it to be $4.24. The $3 Target coupon applies to other items, and there's also other Ibotta rebates. So check them out and see what product works best for you. There's a promotion on Olay. You buy 3, you get a $10 gift card. So you can get 3 of these cleansers or the cleansing wipes. They're both $7.49. You can mix and match, but 3 of them equal $22.47. There's a $10 gift card that'll come back to you, leaving it to be $12.47. These yellow ones don't add to the yellow cleansers don't add to the promotion. And I saw that this Vaseline Body Gel Oil, which I've never tried this. It's $6.49, and there's a $4 Target Circle coupon within the app, making it out to be $2.49 afterwards. I guess for that price, it's probably good to research and check and try out this product. The Purell 8-ounce hand sanitizer is $3.79. There's a $1.50 Target Circle coupon, and there's also a $1 back on Ibotta. So you can get this for $1.29. And this counts for the buy 4, get a $5 gift card personal item promotion as well. This is one of the items that I grabbed towards that gift card promotion, and it's perfect for back to school time. This is the second item I put towards the buy 4, get a $5 Target gift card on personal items, which is the Dial hand soap refill. It's $5.99. There's a $2 Ibotta rebate, leaving it to be $3.99. And as long as this rebate keeps popping up and there's a promotion with this, I'm going to continue to get it. These are great. It ends up being less than $1 per refill. So this is the third item I got. It's $5.99. There's a $2 Target Circle coupon in the app, leaving it to be $3.99. And this is an item that I personally use. And the last personal care item that I got for the $5 gift card was the Crest toothpaste. It's $4.99. There's $2 in the Target Circle app, and then there's a $2 Ibotta rebate. Just make sure you scan these on Ibotta to make sure that it counts towards the rebate. There's a few that do, and there's some that don't, so make sure you scan it. So the buy 4, get a $5 gift card on personal items. I got the toothpaste for 99 cents, the Dial soap refills for $3.99, the Purell hand sanitizer for $1.29, and the deodorant for $3.99. Total, that is $10.26 minus the $5 gift card, so $5.26 for everything. If you like Colgate better, they're $3.99. There's $1 back on Ibotta, making it out to be $2.99, and they count towards the buy four, get a $5 gift card. And another option is the shave gel. It's 15% off, so it's $3.39, and there's $1 Target Circle coupon, bringing it down to $2.39. And this counts towards the buy four, get a $5 gift card on personal care. The Tyson frozen chicken is on sale for $5.99. There's a $3 Ibotta rebate on two. So if you buy two, it ends up being $8.98. So it's like buying one, getting one free when they're on regular price. Thank you for watching my video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And hopefully I was able to give you some ideas on how to save on your everyday household items. Thank you and have a great day.